Today, I'll walk you through how to customize your Xero invoice settings and templates, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to tailor your invoices to reflect your brand so you can present a professional image to your clients. Let's dive right in. Start by signing into your Xero account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the top menu. Think of it as your control panel. Click on Sales and then select Sales Settings. This is where the magic begins. In the Sales section, you'll find Invoice Settings. Clicking here is like opening the door to your invoice customization workshop. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Xero often updates its interface to improve user experience. Here you can manage your invoice preferences, set up reminders, and choose branding themes. Imagine this as setting the stage for your invoices, where you decide how they will look and function. Take a moment to review the available invoice settings and template options. This is your chance to explore and decide what best fits your business needs. Next, open a branding theme to view its configuration. This is like choosing the outfit for your invoices. You can customize layouts, add logos, and tweak other template settings. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. After all, you're crafting the perfect representation of your brand. Once you've reviewed or made any necessary changes, remember to save your updates. Think of this step as hitting the Publish button on a blog post. It ensures that all your hard work is preserved and ready to be used. And that's how to customize your Xero invoice settings and templates. By following these steps, you can ensure that your invoices not only meet your business needs, but also help you stand out in a professional manner. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.